Food cooking way too fast on high? Fix it fast. The Possible Cooker's high setting runs hotter by design, but here's how to keep your meals from overcooking. Step 1. Know the difference between high and low. High finishes dishes in about half the time, while low stretches cooking over more hours. If a recipe says 8 hours on low, expect about 4 on high. Step 2. Check your liquid level. Too little liquid makes food dry out and cook too quickly. Always use at least 1 cup, about 250 milliliters, of broth, stock, or sauce in the pot. Step 3. Don't overfill the pot. If it's packed too tightly, heat spikes in the lower layers can cause scorching. Keep food well below the rim so steam and heat can circulate evenly. Step 4. Keep the lid in place. Removing the lid mid-cook releases steam and heat. When the cooker recovers, it can spike hotter, throwing off your timing. Leave the lid closed until the end. Step 5. Adjust recipes and confirm doneness. Standard slow cooker recipes often finish earlier in the Possible Cooker. If meals are drying out, cut the cook time by 30 minutes to an hour when using high. To stay safe, check doneness with a digital kitchen thermometer. I've linked the one I use in the description. It gives exact internal temperatures, so you know when food is cooked through without overdoing it. If food still cooks too fast, even with proper liquid, spacing, and lid use, the unit may need service. Use the support link in the description before your next cook. If this helped you slow things down, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. And if you need a digital kitchen thermometer, I've linked the one I use below. It makes recipe adjustments safe and accurate. Thanks for watching, and cook low, not scorched.